Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Vivo V50 Lite, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's start with blocking the number from your contact list, and after that I'll show you how to do it using the settings. So let's open the contact list, find the contact which you'd like to block and tap on it. And then tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on block numbers. I don't want to report it as a spam, so let me just untick this option. And here basically we've got the information that we will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this specific number. So just tap on block, and as you can see we've got this characteristic icon, which means that from now on we will not receive calls or messages. Of course, we can also unblock this number. Just tap on the three dots icon again and tap on unblock numbers. But let me leave it like this. We will check whether it will appear on the blacklist. So now to enter the blacklist, we have to open the settings. So it does not really matter whether you will be on the contacts, recent or favorites. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Here in this general list, we've got blocked numbers. So let's tap on it. And here we've got our blacklist. Those numbers are connected with the contact which we've blocked, so the previous option works. We can also add a number manually. Just tap on this option, add number, and here we can enter it and tap on block, and it will be immediately applied. What is more, we've got this option unknown, so we can block the calls from all unidentified callers just by tapping on this switcher right here. We can turn it off the same way. And if you'd like to remove the number from the blacklist, simply tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.